The Hawaii Department of Health is calling on the Navy to shut down Red Hill as quickly as possible. But the Navy says it'll take about 2.5 years. KITV4's Jeremy Lee now joins us in studio. Jeremy, you were at today's briefing. What are state lawmakers saying about this Navy timeline?
Well, Rick, they have a lot of questions. And the Navy admitted several times in today's committee briefing it must work hard to regain the trust of the people. But the military insists that does not mean moving too hastily. They want to make assessments and repairs first. Legislators asked if the Navy could finish the job faster than 2.5 years. The Navy said it is a possibility, but supply chain issues may be a factor. The Navy plans to spend the first year on assessments, repairs, and securing Red Hill.
When the third-party assessment was developed, it stated these were the items that you needed to complete to safely defuel. And those are the items that we are going to do to ensure that we can, safely bring the fuel down off of the hill. So that's why we're sticking with that plan, because as directed in the emergency order, we are following the rules of the third-party assessment.
Concurrently, the Navy recently put 2 new monitoring wells into operation and is looking to acquire additional monitoring wells. That requires working with landowners and getting permits. So far, the Navy says the monitoring wells have not shown the aquifer is contaminated.
So we have 2 new wells that have been complete. We've got 3 results back. Those have all been non-detect, so there's nothing to review there. If we did get positive hits in those wells in the future, we would absolutely analyze to determine whether that was old fuel or whether that was something associated with the 20 November event.
Sticking points of the meeting were that the Navy wasn't prepared with specific dates of action, and legislators, as the Department of Health has, called the 2.5-year timeline unacceptable.
Folks have talked a lot about safety and moving at the speed of safety, but the reality is that every second that we wait and every moment that we wait to commence defueling operations will lead and could possibly lead to another public health and environmental catastrophe.
Perhaps there is a way to listen to the clamor from the community.
We understand that that the community wants to expedite this as much as possible. The Red Hill facility is a one-of-a-kind type of facility, and unfortunately, some of the things that we need to safely and resiliently move the fuel out of the tanks, we will have to. That has to come from the mainland.
The Navy points to that third-party assessment and the recommendations made in that report as justification for the lengthy timeline. Its focus is to complete the task safely and make all recommended repairs first. Lawmakers asked several times why those repairs weren't made already in years past. Reporting live, Jeremy Lee, KITV4 Island News.